There are many very important careers that involve environmental science, but in this video we will be focusing on two in particular. The first career that we will be looking at is oceanography. The job of an oceanographer is to study and explain the complex interactions between seawater, freshwater, polar ice caps, the atmosphere, and the biosphere. Oceanographers need at least a bachelor's degree, but some higher positions may require either a master's or doctoral degree. The average salary of an oceanographer is around $97,700, but the top 10% may earn as much as $170,000 a year. There are four types of oceanographers: physical, chemical, geological oceanographers. As well as marine biologists, physical oceanographers study the currents, waves, and tides of the ocean. Chemical oceanographers determine the chemical composition of the water. Geological oceanographers examine the rocks and minerals on the seafloor. And marine biologists study the interactions between plants and animals and their ocean environments. Overall, oceanographers may be either in labs, conducting experiments, or evaluating data, or out on the ocean collecting samples or making first-hand observations. The second career is that of a wildlife biologist. Wildlife biologists study and monitor the plants and animals in any given region. They seek to evaluate all environmental and population dynamics associated with a given group of plants or animals. For low-level wildlife biologist jobs, a bachelor's in wildlife biology or a related field is needed. But for higher-up jobs, a master's or PhD may be required. The average salary for a wildlife biologist is about $57,000, but the top 10% may make up to $95,000 annually. Wildlife biologists will often work for colleges or government agencies, but occasionally they are contracted to work for a private business. A wildlife biologist may also become part of a research group. These wildlife biologists are often concerned with bacteria and researching the spread of diseases. Personally, I think both jobs would be cool, but if I had to pick one, I would choose to be an oceanographer. I would choose to be an oceanographer because they have a higher earning potential. I like to be on the ocean, and the ocean has a lot more to explore.
A wildlife biologist, because that way I would be able to spend a lot of my time outside, as well as being able to interact with the plants and animals and preserve the environment.
In this video, we have highlighted just two of many promising environmental careers, so keep your options open, and one day you may be helping to save a polar bear.